You've completed the 5 hardest steps. Your land is legally clean and physically verified. Congratulations, you are ready to buy. Welcome back to The Land Blueprint, brought to you by Crown Iconics. In episode 6, we switch to strategy, buyer-seller negotiations. We'll show you how to agree on the best price and a secure payment plan. You have a powerful advantage now. Your confidence comes from your preparation. Use the reports from the past 5 episodes as leverage. If your surveyor found a small discrepancy, or if your green card search revealed the land has been on the market for a while, use that information tactfully to justify your offer. Always start your offer below the asking price. Be prepared to negotiate, but never guess. Base your final offer on the fair market value of similar verified plots in the area. Remember, a good negotiation makes the seller feel like they won while ensuring you pay a fair price. Be respectful but firm about the value of your due diligence. A standard, secure payment plan protects both parties. We recommend a small initial deposit, typically 10 to 20%, upon signing the sale agreement, which we cover next. The remaining balance, 80 to 90%, must only be paid upon the successful transfer of the title deed into your name. Never pay the full amount before the final legal step is complete. Throughout this negotiation, you must maintain confidence and security. This means never settling for a handshake deal. Crown Iconics guides our clients through setting secure payment milestones, ensuring every shilling you commit is protected by a solid legal framework. We treat every negotiation as a strategic financial move for your benefit. If you need coaching on the best price to offer based on our due diligence, we are just a call away. 07171116666 or 25471711166 internationally, or visit our website crowniconics.com. Once you've agreed on the price, the legal protection begins. The most critical decision now is who you trust to write the contract. Subscribe now and join us for episode 7, Go to a Lawyer, Securing the Sale Agreement. We'll discuss why choosing an accredited, ethical lawyer is your biggest safeguard against shady deals and losing your money. Don't risk your future with an untrustworthy advocate. Subscribe today for real estate secrets and visit crowniconics.com for exclusive deals on real estate.